Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'm going to show you why we choose LinkedIn for article posting, and a lot of my Facebook friends has asked me for that. You see, LinkedIn has 772 million active users till first quarter of 2021, so that's really huge number. So why LinkedIn? LinkedIn has the highest PA and DA. As you see that it has 98 DA out of 100 and 70 PA out of 100. So PA and DA is actually for ranking, and I have shown you the screenshots. You see that with the mouse bar you see the screenshots of PA and DA, and it will actually rank in the Google faster. So do you wanna really learn how to write an article in LinkedIn? So let's watch, and never forget to subscribe my channel. So you see, I'm going to show you the practical way of writing article in LinkedIn. Since I have account, so I logged in, and you see I click in the write article button, and that show me a new interface where I can actually write down my article. So before that I will actually research on keyword. I have an account with Google AdWords or Keyword Planner. You can see that I click Bangladesh and cross it, since my video is on English, so that's why I don't wanna narrow my audience. So all locations is selected. So type your keyword LinkedIn article. I have clicked in here and see details, and you see that monthly search volume, which one is higher. I will take which volume is really higher and competition is low. That kind of keyword I need to take, and I'll add it in my video tags. So you see right now I click the thumbnail, and it has an specification, I mean pixel setup. Then you click the headlines or titles here, and I keep the same headline. As you see right now I'm going to write the article. Since I have written all the article by myself, I have no problem about that. I have the same description, and I copy the description here and I pasted it here, and that's how my article writing is done, and it is completely unique. I haven't copied it anywhere else. So you see in the box corner you click here, and you can add a link if you want to. So I copied my link from my channel and I pasted the link here, and just click the enter button. Then the video will be shown in here in detail. Right now if you want to create a backlink, that will also be easy for you guys. Just select the word, then click in the link option, and you see add text to display and then link option here, and if you apply, that's how it will show a blue marking that you has created a link. Now I have created the bold options so that it highlights and it attracts a lot of people to actually read my article. And I created another link with the headline. So that's how the LinkedIn article is to be written. If you are good at English, sorry for that, you can write it. Right now I am adding tags in my share option and use hashtag for that. So I just added 2 hashtags, how to promote a YouTube video view, then I publish, and right now my video is published. Right now I can share in Facebook, Twitter and other groups as well. So what I was saying, that if you are really good at English, you can actually write nice articles in any sites. LinkedIn is one of the best sites that can help you actually to have a nice backlink. So at the end of the day that will help. You see my links in blue, and my another link is in blue, and then my video will be shown here. If someone clicks here, they can see it directly from here, and I can actually share my video actually article link in the LinkedIn group as well. So that's how you see I share option, then copy the link, then I paste it here in the LinkedIn group sharing, then just post it. That's how LinkedIn article sharing is done. So I hope you guys subscribe my channel and stay tuned with my channel, and never forget to like it.